And if I'm looking like an Eskimo, it's because it's cold, obviously. But what's going on, people? I hope everybody's having a great day today. My day is not even going too bad, honestly. It's doing pretty good. That's why I decided to come on here and make a little video for the people who just, want to just get a little word of advice. And that video today, chosen ones, is listen, if you're going through a hard time right now, I want you to understand these words that are about to come out of my mouth. These words that are about to come out of my mouth are literally from God through my mouth into your ears. So just take heed to the message. Chosen ones, there's a storm in your life right now. God wants me to tell you that the better days have to come. Look up in the sky when there's a storm going on. The sky is still there. There is still a blue sky behind the storm, chosen ones. Simply what I'm telling you is just remain present and calm under the pressure. I know it sounds hard. I know it sounds impossible, due to the fact of our human emotions and just the way that us humans, we actualize our feelings. You know what I'm saying? Like, some of us have so much passion and fire inside of us. And sometimes when you just have all that passion burning inside, and then some emotional tragedy or some emotional trauma comes up and tries to put out the fire, you know what I'm saying? Tries to wash away what you built up with all that passion. You have to remain stoic. You have to remain stoic and remain in your frame. You have to during the whole trial and tribulation, due to the simple fact that you are stronger than you can ever believe. You are stronger than you can ever imagine. Okay, chosen one? And you have to look at the man in the mirror. You have to look at the woman in the mirror. And you have to say to that person, listen, or look at the mirror and say, listen, we are in this together. There is no more separation. The war in the mind is you versus you. So that means you have to come together with yourself, chosen one, your emotional self, your physical self, your mental self, your spiritual self has to all be aligned. Because mark my words, 1 degree of separation, 1 degree of separation can bring a whole heap of tribulations. Believe it. I'm a survivor of that. Like, I had to put myself in a place. I was already in a dark place. We all been there. You know, we all been in that dark time where we didn't know what we were going to do. Some people out there didn't know where their next meal was going to come from. Some people out there didn't know where they're going to lay their head at night. I thank God that I never had those issues, but I still had my own issues. I still had my own demons that I was fighting day in, day out. Chosen one. And I know you are too, especially if you're watching to the point of this video. If you're watching to the point of this video, hit the like button. And if you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself, Sinashti. Hit the subscribe button. And we can get the message out to other chosen ones, because it's so important that people hear this message today. It's so important that you hear this message today and take heed to the message. Apply the message, chosen one. The application of the message is the most important thing. You can hear it and it can go in one ear out the other. But some people out there know exactly what to do with the word. They know, their spirit knows exactly what time it is. If you see my face on your screen, you should know exactly what time it is, chosen ones. Life is not going to be just rosy cakes and ice cream to your success. What the hell? Where in the book does that even make sense? What warrior, what king, what artist, what athlete didn't have to go through the trials, didn't have to go through the struggles, didn't have to go through the tribulations, didn't have to go through the blood, didn't have to go through the sweat, the tears, the pain. Who hasn't had to go through that pain? We all did. We all do have to go through the pain. There's no such thing as a painless world. The reason for pain, the many reasons for pain, is to contrast it to what beauty and happiness looks like. Because without one or the other, they don't exist. Batman needs a Joker. Love needs a pain. Chosen one. What are you gonna do what do you choose to do with your pain? Huh? Are you gonna package your pain up, put them in little dime bags, and go out on the corner and sell your pain to people who need it? Because let me tell you something. There's a whole lot of people that see your pain out there, and they're just begging for you to share it with them. Let me repeat myself. There are many people out there who see your pain, and they want you to share it with them. Why you say that, C. Nashty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. The reason I say that is because your pain is what will make a difference in your reality. Your pain is what's going to get you to the next level. Your pain is what represents your journey. It represents your journey, chosen ones. I have a lot more to say. I might make a part 2 on this. But listen, I got things to do. I'm going to be back in another video. I hope somebody could, enjoy the message, take the advice I gave in the message, and just apply the message. Here comes the outro. I hope somebody's still watching. If somebody's still watching, hit me with a "what's up, my boy" in the comment section. Here comes the outro. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. One love.